In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Robinhood account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to expect, and a few helpful tips to make the process smooth and secure. Start by heading to the official Robinhood website in a secure browser, or install the Robinhood app from your device's app store. Confirm it's the legitimate app by checking the developer and reviews. Open it up and look for the sign up button on the home screen. You'll be prompted to create your login. Choose a strong, unique password, and plan to turn on two-factor authentication later in settings to keep your account safer. Next, you'll enter your personal information. This will include your legal name, date of birth, residential address, and details like your citizenship and employment status. You may also be asked for a taxpayer ID such as an SSN or ITIN if you're in the United States. Financial platforms collect this information to comply with regulations, verify your identity, and help protect against fraud. Make sure everything matches your government-issued ID so approvals don't get delayed. You'll then verify your identity. Depending on your device, the app may ask you to scan a government-issued ID and take a quick selfie to confirm it's you. Use good lighting, keep your ID flat and in frame, and avoid glare. If you're prompted to submit additional documents, follow the on-screen guidance. Most verifications finish quickly, but it can take longer if the photos aren't clear. Once verified, link your bank account so you can transfer funds. You can connect instantly by signing in to your bank through the secure interface, or choose a manual method using small test deposits. If you use micro deposits, check your bank statement in a day or two and return to confirm the exact amounts. Only link accounts you control and avoid using public Wi-Fi during this step. After your account is set up and funded, you can choose your first investment. Use the search bar to find a stock or ETF, open its page to review the overview, charts, and key details, and read disclosures before you buy. Start with an amount you're comfortable with, consider using limit orders for price control, and remember that investing involves risk. If you began on the web, download the Robinhood app so you can track your portfolio on the go. Sign in with your new credentials, enable notifications for trade confirmations, and turn on a device lock or biometrics for extra security. That's it. Your Robinhood account is ready. Take your time exploring features and invest responsibly.